Hey trainers! So you heard about the Pokémon GO Wild Area 2025 in Nagasaki, Japan, right? NOV 7th to 9th the tickets are sold out. But wait, you don't have to fly to Japan to join the major raids. This video gonna show you how you can still get in on the action from your couch. Stay with me. First up, the event time and ticket info. The Nagasaki event runs November 7, 8, and 9, 2025, from 9:00 a.m. to 5:00 p.m. JST each day. The one-day ticket cost was about $25 for 1 day of access. But the tickets are sold out, no more available now. So if you didn't get a ticket, I've got you covered with the remote method. Now let's talk about the main raid battles you'll want to hit. There will be 6-star max battles featuring Gigantamax Grimmsnarl, making its debut during Nagasaki. There are shadow raids featuring Shadow Darkrai and Shadow Cresselia. Also, 3-star raids will include things like Beware, Wilderness Cape. So these are your big group raid targets. Want shiny? These are the ones. Quick question for you, which of those raid bosses are you most hoping to catch shiny? Leave your pick in the comments. What's also super exciting, new Pokémon and shiny firsts. The event sees the debut of the Impidimp evolution line, Impidimp Morgrem Grimmsnarl, in Pokémon GO. And new shiny possibilities, shiny Unknown W, shiny Atena, shiny Impidimp among them. So even if you're not physically in Nagasaki, getting those raid catches remotely still gives you a shot at something rare. Okay, here's probably why you're here, how to join the Nagasaki raids remotely. Make sure you've got the latest version of the game and remote raid pass ready. Use a trusted location changer tool like PogoSkill to set your GPS to Nagasaki, Japan, so the game thinks you're participating on site. Join raid invites from friends or public raid lobbies for the event bosses, Gigantamax Grimmsnarl, Shadow Darkrai / Cresselia. Team up with other players globally, battle, catch your prize. Bonus tip, because the ticketed event is already sold out, focus your remote invites on players with a ticket, they'll have the boss spawned, or catch the global event weekend, NOV 15-16, as backup. So yes, you can get in on the big raids without leaving your home. And that's it, your full guide to the Nagasaki Wild Area 2025 raids, when they are, which bosses you should focus on, shiny and new Pokémon highlights, and how to join remotely. If you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Pokémon GO event guides, drop a comment below, what boss are you going for? See you in the raid lobby.